So today we are going to be making some meat pies. Let's get right to it. I add cold, very cold butter to the flour. You can do this with your hand, but it's faster for me with the food processor. Then you add very cold water to the flour after the butter has been well incorporated, and then you mix it together. You don't want to overmix, so then at this point you're going to put it into a bowl and add a little bit more cold water if you need to. You don't want a sticky dough, you want a very flaky dough. You keep mixing, and then as it comes together, you form it into balls, and then you put it in the refrigerator to get cold. You're going to need it cold. While the dough is resting, it's time for our filling. Sauteed onions, ginger, garlic, bell peppers. The plantain and carrots are roasting in the oven. You don't want your filling to be soggy, so you keep it as dry as possible, but you also have to make it moist, okay? So you don't make it watery, is what I'm trying to say. Add a little bit of tomato sauce to keep that moisture in your filling. Use tomato sauce and not tomato paste, preferably the chunky tomato sauce. Here we're putting in the bell peppers. I'll leave the recipe down in the description box. Here comes the roasted plantains and carrots. Doesn't it look good? You just want to eat it by itself. Then take it off the stove and let it cool. If you're in a hurry, cool it in the refrigerator. And then it's time to roll it out and put in the filling. You're going to notice that the dough seems like it's stiff. It's not stiff. It's because it's cold. The butter has made it solid. You use what you got in the kitchen and you fill it up, shape it, make sure you properly close it, properly seal it. Roll out your crust thin, not too thin, but thin, and fill it generously with the filling. You want more filling and less crust. Place your pies on a baking sheet with parchment paper so it doesn't stick, and bake at 350 for at least 15 to 20 minutes or until golden brown. Look at that pie. Looking good, looking good. This pie was not egg washed. Hope you try this recipe in your kitchen with whatever filling that you would like. Bon appetit!